Hi everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can create a version of your form in a different language easily in BreezyBit Form Builder. We are in the Form Builder page. As you see, there is an event registration form with a couple of fields. What you need to do here is you just need to go to the settings, and then you will see the multilingual option, and then you need to click on download language file. There are the instructions here too, but I'm going to show you how we do it. Download language file. It will download a CSV file for you. You just open this. I will bring it here for you to see. So this is the CSV file that I have here on this page right now. As you see, there is the original language and translated language columns. I need to delete the translated language one. And then here on the right side, as you see, I have a form translation sheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything here under original language and copy this and go to the form translation sheet that we share with you already. And you just need to paste them right here. And as you see, it will automatically translate it into different languages for you. We have Spanish, Chinese, Turkish, Hindi, Urdu, or Korean, or different ones as well, or we can add any languages that you need. But here, let's say in this one, I just need the Spanish one. So I select all the translated words here under the Spanish, copy it, and go back to my form. I'm still on this page. I just need to click on, oh, sorry, I need to go back to first actually my CSV file here. I need to paste what I copied from the sheet here. And I need to click on Save As for the CSV file. And there is one thing you just need to make sure you do is you need to select the UTF-8 file option here and then save it and replace the file you downloaded. And what I'm going to do here, I'll go back to my form settings. I'll click on upload files and I go to the downloads. That's going to be the last one I downloaded. So right here, 10:23 is the time, and open it, and a lead gen form translated is created for me. So let's go back to my list view and refresh the page. And here, as you see, I have a lead gen form translated, and the form builder, as you see, all the fields are, including the button, are translated for me. Imagine there is a form with 50 different fields and you just want to translate it into a different language. You can use this easily in just about 30 seconds, a couple of copy pastes, and after that you will have your form ready in a different language. So that's how it works. Thank you for watching.